like me, when I was starting making molds. You might think like me, oh, I'm going to save material. No, you're going to be wasting material because that mold is not going to be useful. This bit more, this should be enough. All right, again. That's giving me a good room for my little mold to sit, my little piece to sit on there. So that should be fine. Now we're going to do this here. We're going to be sitting this on clay again. Or in the case, I think I know what I'm going to do here. Do I have a longer stick, or I just make a new one instead? Let's see. You have to find the best way. Oh, actually, I think this is the way. All right. I'm just going to locate this on here. This thing had a fresh clay on there, so I'm just building up. I'm just pushing a little bit this. You have to be sure this tube is going straight.
So right now you're just checking the level.
Yeah, so it's not clicker door laying on one side and shifting to the other side. It has to be in the middle, like that. See? It looks funny. I will fill with clay a little bit more on the...
Barbara asks, is that about an inch space around?
No, too much.
Put inside?
Too much, yeah, too much.
It's
No, through 3/4 of an inch. Not quite an inch. It's not that much, really. I think it's more than a 1, 2, 3. Yeah, 3/4 of an inch, I will say. I'm just going to fill these little gaps. Here, these little gaps around here. That has to be very filled. The bad thing is that I put away my tools. Gotcha. Right. I'm completely closing the little gap that was on here. And in the same time connecting very well my pouring hole to the piece. Okay. Testing. Yay. Yay. Good. Here. Oops. I'm done. Sorry. So this one is set. All right. Now this, I'm going to be grabbing a cardboard. Okay. Super glue.